Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to show mute or unmute option in Telegram for members. So I'll open up Telegram. I'll use this group right here. And first let's look at it from the eyes of a normal member. So if I click on these three dots, I'll see the mute option. I can choose when to mute this for, right? How long, and some other customization options as well. As you can see, other than that, if you want to mute a specific member, let's say you're an admin, I just hold on this person's name, right? And you see this option that says change permissions, click on that. Now here you can toggle these on or off. So if I toggle this one off for send messages, this person cannot send the messages, cannot send media, cannot add users, do all of these things. And they cannot change the chat info, right? Go ahead and update that. And there you go. You have effectively muted this person.